Hey everybody, I'm Kevin Miller, Head of Hardware at Perry Weather. Today, I'd like to introduce StormBridge, the latest innovation from Perry Weather that raises the bar for what automated weather safety means. StormBridge is a new hardware feature that connects Perry Weather's platform to physical systems like splash pads, lights, irrigation systems, and then makes them automatically respond to dangerous weather. With StormBridge, safety systems and equipment don't wait for someone to press a button. They act the moment conditions change. So what does StormBridge actually do? It can shut down splash pads the second lightning gets close. It disables irrigation during a freeze. It turns on strobe lights and warnings when a tornado's on the way. And it lets you do all of that remotely or fully automated. No more running across town to get to a splash pad or waking up in the middle of the night in a cold sweat because you forgot to turn the floodlights off at the field. You can set custom policies such as turn off splash pad if lightning is detected within 5 miles, or even manually control the systems right from the Perry Weather app. You can view your StormBridge hardware in the mobile app by navigating to the Hardware tab, selecting the desired weather station, and clicking the tab labeled StormBridge. From here, you can set up and adjust how you want StormBridge to operate, including adjusting the group StormBridge notifications are sent to, the policies that trigger StormBridge, and a toggle to turn it on and off. StormBridge has use cases in every industry. It's for cities and parks that have splash pads which become a hazard during storms. It's for large campuses where safety alerts need to trigger instantly across vast areas. It's for schools and public buildings where air quality, storms, or heat can put people at risk, indoors and out. It's for industrial facilities where production lines need to be turned off in an instant. Basically, if you need to react quickly to severe weather, StormBridge takes the legwork out of doing so. Thanks for checking out our new product, StormBridge, and we can't wait to assist you in making weather monitoring easy for your organization. Thanks. We'll see you guys later.